Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add a light beam transition for your edits in CapCut. So first, you just need to import the videos that you want to edit and just click on a transition box in between the clip, this white box, and click on the light effect category. Okay, after this you just need to swipe through the transition option until you find light beam. Okay, this one, light beam, click on that and adjust the durations to your liking. I'm going to go with 0.3 second, then click on a check icon and the transition will go like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on a thanks. Bye.